నమస్తే, నేను మీ సనపల్లి నాగచంద్రుడు, సీనియర్ న్యాయవాది. డస్ ఏ విల్ డీడ్ రిక్వైర్ ఏ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్? గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, myself Nagachandrudu. Many people having a doubt is that, sir, does a will deed require a registration? Is it necessary? So friends, a will deed is legal document. It outlines or how a person's property and assets will be distributed after death of a person. That is called will deed as per the Section 27 Registration Act 1908. A will deed not a mandatory. For the registration, a will deed has no time limit for an enforcement, but it is valid after death of a person.